Alright. Okay, yung sa part 6, last part na. Finally. Hilong-hilo na ako kakaganon-ganon. Nakakaduling putang ina yan. Anyways, patapos na rin. Okay. Shall be responsible for receipt, study, and classification of inmates. RDC. Inmate shall be placed at the RDC for a period of not more than 60 days. What are documents to be presented upon admission of an inmate to the prison? Mitimus, commitment order, information and court decision, certification of detention, certification of the case of the inmate is not on appeal. All of these. Registration book shall be kept for the recording of all commitments, which shall contain information of the following. Registration book. Kasama ba yung name ng inmate? Yes. Reason for commitment? And the authority? Yes. Sentence, date and hour of admission, date and hour of discharge. Lahat. This is the process of assigning grouping of inmates according to their sentences, gender, age, nationality, health, criminal records, and others. Classification. Upon admission to the RDC, the inmate shall be subjected to frisking for possible The classification board shall consist of classification board. Ayan, nalista na natin yung kahapon. Sa part 1 ata. Yes, part 1. Superintendent as chairman, chief of RDC as the vice chairman, medical, chief, education, chief of agro, chief, ito naman, yes. Chief overseer, secretary, yes. All of them. A type of prisoners, which includes those who requires high degree of control and supervision. May pagkakulong na more than 20 years. The prisoner who was first time brought to the RDC shall be considered the first time idalhin sa RDC. Ikaw consider as? Di ako sure dito. Pagka first time niyang dalhin sa RDC. Tingnan natin kung may mahanap tayo. shall be brought to the RDC shall be considered as maximum security. The walk-away prisoner, as dubbed by the institution, is the walk-away prisoner. Minimum yan, minimum security. The following prisoner shall be classified under minimum security. Those with severe physical handicap, as certified by the chief medical officer of prison. Those who are 65 years old, yes. Those who have served one half of their minimum sentence. Those who have 6 months more to serve. All of this. The medium security prisoners includes the following except. The medium security prisoners includes the following except. Sa medium ba, those whose sentence is less than 20 years imprisonment or those remanded inmates, those who are 18 years of age and below, regarded of the case and sentence, those 2 or more records of escape but served 8 years since they were recommitted. First offender sentenced to life imprisonment after service of 5 years in the maximum security prison or less upon recommendation of the superintendent, or those who were detained in the city or provincial jail. Medium, di ba? Okay. Except ang hinahanap. Eh di those who were detained in the city and provincial jail. Yan ang di kasama. Color of uniform of inmates under the maximum security prison is tangerine. Those who cannot be trusted in less secured area and whose conduct or behavior require minimum supervision. Cannot be trusted, pero okay naman yung kanilang behavior. Di naman kailangan ng ng talagang close supervision. Ano? Medium. One who has either been previously committed for 3 or more times. Ayan, yung kaninang umaga natin diniscuss. A sentence inmate. Pang anong class yun? Except those imprisoned for non-payment of fine. Previously committed. Reduced from the higher class, 3rd class. To be a blank, one must be at least a first class inmate. Okay. Dati siyang first class. Ngayon, mas tataasan pa siya. Colonies. The following are privileges given to the colonies, except, hindi ka bibigyan ng 7 hektaryang lupa. Inmates shall be served 3 meals a day and breakfast shall be served not more than blank after the previous day's dinner. Ilang hours? Be served 3 meals a day and breakfast shall be served not more than, hindi siya lalagpas ng after the previous dinner. Hindi lalagpas, dapat ng. Three meals a day. Hindi ako sure sa oras ng kain nila eh. I'm not sure. Hindi ako sure. The confinement of an inmate may be transferred to an AFP stockage provided the inmate is certified as maximum security risk and does not fall in any of the following except inmate serving life sentence or death, those who have previous record of escape or recidivist, those serving for a crime involving moral turpitude, inmate who is more than 50 years old or who cannot no longer perform manual work. AFP stockage, provided the inmate is certified as minimum security and does not fall in any of the following except alam kong itong letter D, pasok siya eh. Who does not, tangina nakakalito to ah. Does not fall in any of the following except, none of these. None of these. Prisoners may be transferred from national prison to the provincial prison or vice versa upon the direction of Director of Prison. Parang nasagutan natin yan kanina. Tama ba? Oh. Superintendent may authorize prisoner to be taken out of prison in the following instances. Oh, ito na naman, lumitaw na naman tong tanong na to. Pero yung except ang hinahanap. Superintendent may authorize prisoner to be taken out of the prison in the following instances except to appear in a court. Well, yan nga yung reason eh. For medical examination, kasama yan. To view the remains, kasama yan. To transfer to provincial jail. Except kasi ang hinahanap eh. Itong to transfer to provincial jail. 'Di ba? Parang dapat nandun ka lang sa loob ng jail, pero dahil may mga sitwasyon na kailangan mong lumabas, pero except ang hinahanap, kailangan mo talagang lumabas dito kasi ililipat ka eh, dito sa letter D. Nagigets niyo yung tanong? Movement of inmate for medical or hospitalization outside and viewing of remains of deceased relatives shall be approved from? Shall be approved from? Dapat shall be with approval from. From kanino? Director. Ay. A minimum or medium security prisoner who wanted to view. O ilang araw? How many days before the enjoyment of said privileges? Wait lang. Minimum or medium? Yung 3 days na sinasabi ninyo para yung sa maximum. Dapat magbigay siya ng notice, mag-file muna siya ng notice, application, magbigay siya ng application. Ilang days bago yung intended date ng viewing of remains. Ang tinatanong dito is minimum or medium. Yung tinutukoy yung 3 days ay para yun sa maximum. Ang sagot is 2 days. Nagigets niyo yung tanong? Prisoners at the New Bilibid Prison or CIW who applies for viewing of the remains of the deceased relative shall be recommended by the superintendent thereof and the director to, pataas, parang pataas ng pataas, for final action at least 1 working day before the privilege is to be enjoyed. Superintendent thereof and the director to, kanino niya sunod ipapasa yan? Administrator, Secretary of Justice. Bakit? Kasi prisoner sila ng New Bilibid tsaka CIW. The duration of viewing shall be for a period of 3 hours, provided that the place is within the radius of ilang kilometers? 30. 30-kilometer radius. Inmates of such age shall be excused from mandatory labor. Which program employs prisoners in various product or good producing tasks? Aling 60? Etong 226 na tanong? Over 60. Oo. Ay, wait lang. Kasi may na ano dito eh. 60 years old, pataas, di ba? Dapat 60 years old and above nga. Kung ganon, edi damay na yung 60 years old. An inmate who has been 6 months permanently assigned to the work in prison may receive compensation credits at the rate prescribed by the director. The same shall be credited his trust fund and he may utilize blank of his said earnings for purchase of his needs. 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. Actually, nakalimutan ko kung ilan eksakto. Pero nasa manual yun. Wait lang, double check natin. Double check natin, ayokong i-risk. Okay. 1/2. Kung may grant, GCTA. Sabi ko yun kahapon. Sinong nag-grant ng GCTA? Director. Inmates shall have the right to communicate or correspond with persons or organizations subject to censorship. He shall be advised to collect said mail correspondence within blank after it was received in prison. Ilan? Ilang hours? 24 hours. Inmates who demonstrated good behavior shall earn 1 telephone call to an authorized individual every blank days. Days naman tinatanong. Every 90 days. Shall mean fiction, non-fiction, poetry, music, and lyrics, drawing and cartoons, and other writings of similar nature made or written by inmates during his free time or non-work time. Ang tawag doon? Fiction, non-fiction. Literature. Kapag literature kasi bakit kasama yung mga drawings? Hindi man artwork. Hindi yan artwork. Manuscripts. This is the process wherein prison officials try to convert inmates and be affiliated into their religion. Proselytizing. The least punishment for any infraction of the rules or regulation of the penitentiary is the least punishment. The least punishment. Ang reprimand, ibig sabihin warning. Yes, the least. Warning lang yan. Confinement in a disciplinary cell as a punishment for breach of discipline shall for a period of, shall blank yan dapat no? Shall blank for a period of. Shall blank of. 7 days, dapat ano yan not more than 7 days. Pero sige, yan yung yan yung pinakamalapit doon sa katotohanan. Dapat not more than 7 days. Request for interview of the inmate by media shall be given to superintendent within how many days? Kapag i-interviewin siya ng media, dapat magbigay muna sila ng notice sa superintendent. Ilang araw bago yung mismong interview? 5 days ba? Ang alam ko sa maximum yun kapag interview nila maximum 3 days. Interview of inmates who are below 18 years of age may not be granted without consent from bata yung i-interviewin. Kailangan ng consent. Infant born inside the prison may be allowed to stay with the mother for a period of 12 months, equivalent to 1 year. Inmate may be released from prison on the following grounds, except pwede silang i-release sa mga sumusunod na kadahilanan. Alin dyan sa mga dahilan na yan ang hindi kasama? Upon expiration of his sentence, syempre lalabas talaga yan. Order of the court, yes. After being granted parole, yes. Upon grants of probation, none of these. Release of prisoner may be authorized by the following except. Parang ganun na naman. Kaso, sino naman yung nag-authorize ang tanong? Supreme Court or lower courts, President, the Board of Pardons and Parole, Director of Prisons, lahat ayan, authorize yan hanggang D. None of these. The Director of Prison shall not order or allow an inmate to leave prison on blank days. And blank days before and blank days after an election, except for valid or legal reasons. Shall not leave the prison on 60 days before and 30 days after. This was created to provide preparatory rehabilitation activities in residential setting or pre-release place for prisoners. It is a 24-hour residential agreement. Ano yan? Halfway. Bucor is headed by the Director of Correction, who is assisted by 2 assistant directors who shall be 1 for administration and rehabilitation and 1 for prison and security. This group composes the initial wave of anti-riot assaults, contingent whose main objective shall be to disperse the rioters and get their leaders. Anong group yan? Yes, first group. Yung second group, sila naman ang may handle ng mga tear gas, grenades. Ang third group, yung mga sa firearms naman yung mga yan. Hanggang third group lang yun, lang fourth. This group composes of trained guards on proper handling and use of firearms. Third group. In 1934, This position was created to supervise CIW, correctional institution, ibig sabihin sa prison yan. Si female superintendent. Maximum security prisoners are confined in the head of prison may establish this group whenever the frequency of requests for interview reach a volume that warrants limitation. It is composed of not more than 2 representatives from the national news services, the television and radio networks and outlets, and the news magazine and newspapers. All news materials generated by them shall be made available to media without right of first publication or broadcast. Kapag ka magpapa-interview yung head ng prison, hindi niya pwedeng i-accommodate lahat. Kukuha lang siya ng 2 representatives dito sa mga to. Dagdadalawang representatives laang. Ano ang tawag sa ganong gawain? Anong tawag sa ganon? Hindi siya media group. It is called as press pool. Paroli and Pardoni are supervised by PPA. It is an executive clemency that cannot be questioned by the court. Executive clemency ha, na hindi pwedeng questionin ng korte. Amnesty, yes. Executive clemency siya. It is the pardoning power. Application for parole or pardon shall be applied and processed by BPP. Nagpaparamdam na sa inyo yung non-insti, oh. Statutory shortening of sentence of a prison by reason of good behavior. Alin? Ang sagot niya? Ang sagot mo? Tama. Ba't nahiya ka? Dapat yan din pala, may gusto pala akong sabihin sa inyo, dapat din-develop ninyo yung confident ninyo sa pagsasagot. Kasi hindi pwedeng neurotic kayo pag nag-e-exam, yung pabago-bago. Halimbawa, di kayo sure sa ganito, di kayo sure sa ganyan, palit-palit kayo ng sagot. Delikado yon kasi bawal magbura. Hanggat maaari, huwag kayong magbura sa board exam. Tama, Borets? Di ba? Di ba, Kuya Clint, bawal magbura? Oh. Dapat confident kayo. Prison superintendent is obliged to inform the immediate kin of the prisoner if inmate is blank. Instrument of restraint shall be applied only to prevent escape on the way to court. Prisoners from the RDC are transferred to the operating institution for alin? Prisoners, galing sila sa RDC, lilipat sila sa operating institution. Ano kayang reason? Eh di tapos na yung ano, tapos na yung classification. Oh, tapos na yung diagnostic. Eh di execution naman ng treatment program. Among the following factors, which would be best determine the extent to which prison functions are subdivided? Ano yung best na determine? Bakit hinahati sila? Inmates population and size of prison jail. The prisoner is one who is sentenced, alam niyo na yan, 6 months and 1 day to 3 years. Hmm? May nagsasagot pa rin ng municipal. 6 months and 1 day to 3 years. In larger jails, services may be provided by this person who shall keep the keys to the woman's quarters and should be available anytime. Sa mga large jails, ha? To woman's quarters and should be available anytime. Sagot niyo? Trustee? Resident trust. Hindi mo pwedeng ipagkakatiwala yung susi sa inmate. Anong sagot ninyo? Keymaster? Balikan na lang natin yan. Ha? Di ko rin alam kung ano yung matron. Ay, di search natin ngayon. Ay, iba yung lumalabas dito eh. Pag sinabing resident matron, staff member living in a boarding house or institution responsible for creating a nurturing, organized, and safe environment for children. Balikan na lang natin yan. Baka malason pa. This is a type of prisoner sentenced to a prison term of 1 day to 3 years. BJMP is one of the tri-bureau under the DILG. It was created pursuant to Section one of the tri-bureau. Hindi na nag-i-exist yung tri-bureau ha. Huwag niyo nang gagamitin yung word na yan. Wait lang, nalilito ako pagka may numbers. It's either 58 or 60 lang naman yun eh. Section 60. 6975. The following are considered command group of BJMP except command group. Chief of Staff, yes, kasama yan. Chief BJMP, yes. Ang hindi kasama, except. Ang hindi kasama ito, Operations Division. Divisions. A Type C jail has a population of, halatang lumang-luma na yung tanong eh, 20 or less offenders. Known as the prison without walls. Prisoners homestead in Davao Penal Colony. Ibig sabihin ng homestead, ayaw na nila bumalik sa bahay nila. Doon na lang sila titira. Alin? Tagumpay o Tanglaw? These are all Iwahig subcolonies except Panabo. Kasi sa Davao yan, tama? These are known as Davao subcolony, sub-penal colony. Panabo and Kapalong. The first penal institution in 1847. First penal institution dito sa Pilipinas. old Bilibid Prison. The Leyte Regional Prison was established in Nabuyog City on blank through the orders issued under the martial law. January 16, 1973. Yan lang naman yung pasok sa martial law eh. The following are jails in the Philippines except regional jail. Wala pa akong naririnig na regional jail. A security facility for the temporary detention of persons held for investigation or awaiting preliminary hearing. Usually the period of detention does not exceed 48 hours. The rank to be qualified for promotion to the position of Chief BJMP shall be at least, ayan, nasagot na natin to, Senior Superintendent. There are already 2 correctional institutions for women in the Philippines. One is located in Mandaluyong and one in... He suggested the idea and envisioned the Iwahig Penal Colony to be an institution for incorrigible offenders. Si Forbes ba? Hindi si Wright? When in doubt, ask Google. Alam ko si Wright eh. Iwahig Penal Colony. Sino Borets? Sino? Si Wright, di ba? This was first established in 1910. Under the American regime, every provinces were mandated by the American colonizers to establish their own provincial jails to be under the supervision and control of, diba, every provinces were mandated by the American, the provincial jail system. The BJMP was created as one of the tri-bureau under the Department of Interior and Local Government pursuant to 6975. Booklets of rules and regulations shall be given to the prisoner after. Bibigyan sila ng booklet pagtapos ng orientation period. The prevalent issues as correctional problem are idleness, sexual deviance, congestion, and jail. Lahat yan problem. Tapos na. Yung mga ibang hindi natin sure, balikan na lang natin sa final coaching, ha? Kasi medyo mahirap din i-risk kapag kaganyan. Pag di ka sure, wag na. Okay, thank you. Okay, kain na. Kain na tayo.